When working with sloped pipes or odd coordinate systems, your pipes will not always perfectly align with one another. Here we have an example where we try to connect to a pipe that is slightly off alignment. As you can see, there will be a small chamfered butt weld at this position. This pipe is only off by 0.01 degree. Problems like this will often result in further issues down the line. If we take a look at these two pipes, the only difference between them are that one of them have a chamfered weld on the pipe segment. This will result in a pipe that can't be stretched correctly, as demonstrated here. In this example, we just wanted to stretch the pipe to make for a longer expansion loop. And as we can see, it is not possible to do this when it's not perfectly aligned. And here you can see the difference on the other pipeline. This is where Sovelia Mate and Rotate comes in handy. First, make sure to disconnect the pipe and slightly shorten it, so that we have a small gap between the two pipe segments. Activate the command Mate and Rotate, and first select the node on the pipeline you want to move, and then you select the node where you want to align and move to. You will also get the option after they are aligned and connected to rotate the pipe along the axis of the connected component. Now we can see that it is possible to stretch the expansion loop without any issues. This command can also be used to move one pipeline from one position to another quickly. Activate Mate and Rotate, select the pipe you want to move, then select the node to connect and align to, and finally rotate to finish the Mate and Rotate function.